Don't doubt, friends. Not only small vegetation, but also small trees will be flattened by its 4 cubic feet of material in just 15 seconds. While a 20 is not just a slinger, but a revolutionary off-road all-terrain vehicle built to go where other machines. The Machira's air core is in a matter of seconds, the tree is. This video shows Pollock's new 12-line ESS modular platform ESS trailer, used in a 2x4x8 beam configuration with beams. You can see how well the trailer behaves on the road, and how its features can be used to improve your operation. And it's all thanks to ESS, an electronic steering system that will allow you to steer all axles at the same time. It is designed to provide the optimum axle steering angle, according to the length or width of the trailer. The steering can be remotely controlled to increase the steering angle on tight corners or on the ground. Imagine a vehicle that easily carries the wings of the future. Wind blades the length of a soccer field and weighing up to 35 tons. That's what Dahl offers with its pioneering trailers for the wind energy industry. Forget the fear of high center of gravity and torque. These trailers are stable and safe at any speed. Loading? Faster than you can drink a cup of coffee. Maneuverability? Like an acrobat. Able to perform maneuvers with incredible precision thanks to hydraulic steering and a wide steering angle. Dahl turns blade transport not into a chore, but into a masterclass of grace and engineering, showing that even the most monumental tasks can be accomplished with surprising ease and style. The safety, versatility, and durability of the Soil King Extreme is unmatched in the rock spreading industry, helping you get the job done safer and more efficiently than any other spreader on the market. Increase your productivity. The Extreme XTR-25 has a 30 cubic yard capacity while carrying lighter materials. Utilizing Can American's patented metering beam, a single operator can precisely handle and control the placement of topsoil, stone, sand, and other materials through wireless communication. How spectacularly the sea delicacies are harvested in the vast expanses of huge farms. And the best part is that soon these fresh delicacies will be on your table, ready for you to appreciate their unique flavor. Dreaming of a helper that can do the dishes better than anyone else? Here it is, a washing machine that will make you forget about boring cleaning. Ideal not only for the home, but also a real lifesaver for cafes and restaurants. But yet, without the effort and care of the worker, this process would not be possible. Human labor is invaluable here. Even in reverse mode, the snowblower is just as efficient, easily tackling accumulated snow. This is true versatility. Cutting steel bars with perfect precision is now a breeze, thanks to the right machine. This is the tool that turns a complex task into an easy operation. You know how unpleasant it is when a drawstring pops out of your pants? It often seems like an eternal task to put it back in place, but don't worry. I have a surprisingly easy way for you to solve this problem. Watching an agricultural machine at work in the field, you can't help but marvel at its speed and precision, and its power and capabilities leave no doubt that we are looking at a true professional in the field. In a world where every piece of land holds undiscovered treasures, the eccentric XR22 comes into play as a master destroyer, overturning conventional notions of power and efficiency. Born from the bowels of innovation, this hydraulic ripper carries the banner of revolution, offering a new approach to working the ground. Thanks to its patented impact technology through energy storage, it turns the roughest rocks into dust, opening the way for quarries, tunnels, and new construction. Something is about to happen that will make your heart freeze. A huge excavator, seemingly monumental and unshakable, instantly disappears into the magnitude of the Earth's trench. It's hard to resist admiration as you watch the creation of human hands collide with the might of nature. China's XCMG has launched an unmanned electric dump truck that can be both remotely controlled and given free rein, where it will operate in autonomous mode, under the control of artificial intelligence. In remote control mode, the dump truck uses a sensor to send information back to the operator using 5G technology. When switched to full autonomy, control of this vehicle will fall to the artificial intelligence technology, which will determine the destination and plan routes according to the mine's production vehicle. The vehicle's 500 kilowatt-hour battery, which traditionally can be recharged within 8 to 10 hours, or replaced with another in just 6 minutes to ensure uninterrupted operation. The Narva E24 energy head is used in thinning, field clearing, road right-of-way maintenance, and parks in urban areas. This technique is suitable for harvesting energy wood with a diameter of 9.4 inches and also has a storage unit. Connects to a manipulator instead of a grapple. It can be used with tractors weighing 5 to 8 tons, excavators, forestry trailers, and sorting trucks. Among the features of the unit, it is worth mentioning the control without electricity, excellent load properties, fast guillotine cutting, easy installation, and no additional hydraulics. In the hands of a good craftsman, even the most soulless machine comes to life, putting holes in metal sheets as if working with butter. I can imagine how long it would take him to do it all by hand. With this mechanized helper in your arsenal, soil preparation and seed sowing move to a new level of simplicity and efficiency. It is capable of plowing and sowing at the same time, significantly reducing labor costs and accelerating the process of working on the land. The key to successful work is not only in-depth knowledge and skills, but also the use of advanced technology. When these two components are combined, high-level performance is not only possible, but also guaranteed. This miracle machine masterfully manages the task of perfect material distribution, easing the work of the craftsman to unbelievable limits. Do you want to see how far progress in metalworking has come? Then just watch how metal rods are gathered in just a few moments to form an object. Craftsmanship and speed are at work here. Don't judge capabilities by size. This little machine is a true craftsman. It can create a panel so magnificent that every pattern and line deserves to be scrutinized. Her creations are definitely eye-catching. Take a closer look at the workflow of this unique machine, and you'll discover the source of its creative power to create beautiful panels. And it's great to watch it bring each of its works to life. No matter what you say, but with such a machine in your arsenal, you'll know exactly how to transform and enhance your own work, doing it quickly and flawlessly. What could be better than being able to automate processes, especially when you have massive volumes of products on hand that need to be cleaned? Let me tell you one thing. Thanks to advances in technology, we can reduce hours of labor to literally minutes. With such advanced rotating units and a creative approach to the process, there can be no doubt about the quality of the real assembly. These mechanisms are capable of marvels of precision and efficiency, delivering perfect perfection in every product. A little human involvement can work wonders in the pressing process with a mechanized machine. The perfect combination of human control and machine power ensures that everything is done perfectly. In the world of metalworking, there are monsters with metal teeth that can work wonders. They transform raw materials into critical parts with impeccable precision. The Brock 500 offers high production capacity as well as mobility and versatility. Like all Brock models, it offers unrivaled capacity for its size and weight. With a reach of nearly 23.1 feet and a 360-degree turning radius, the Brock 500 provides excellent access to the work area without the need for labor-intensive moving. Ideal for the toughest jobs, such as quick and accurate removal of heavily reinforced concrete vaults and foundations. With a reinforced design and additional refinement over the Brock 400, while maintaining approximately the same size and weight, it sets a new standard for power-to-size ratio in its segment. OMEPS has introduced its new 29 cubic meter double tipping tank truck with a steel chassis. It features a lightweight aluminum chassis that provides maximum payload for each load. The tanks also feature double-sided aisles, folding handrails, and quick-loading hatches with only 4 cam levers. Ring welds are ground inside the tank to allow free flow of product to the discharge cone when tipping. A pneumatic vibrator is installed at the rear of the bottom of the tank to facilitate cleaning of the product at the end of loading. The discharge cones are made of polished stainless steel, hinged and bolted for accessing and cleaning the inside of the tank. They are equipped with 5 Solimer aerators that create an effective aeration zone to liquefy the base material before discharge. Dark Sweeper is designed for efficient and environmentally friendly cleaning of roads, streets, and yards. The Model T Sweeper is designed for smaller base machines such as property maintenance vehicles. The low design and 27.5-inch wide blades provide a good view of the area being swept. The low design of the Stark Model T Sweeper improves visibility in the sweeping area and increases operational safety. When sweeping, the machine moves on support wheels, which means the blades last a long time. The height of the movable main brush can be adjusted, and the speed of the brushes can be infinitely adjusted. You see an all-electric remote-controlled mulcher that can work from 3 to 5 hours without recharging, depending on the working conditions. This model is equipped with electric brakes. The machine works well on steep slopes up to 55 degrees, and the operator is always in a safe place, which is also important. Balanced weight distribution, wide-track chassis track, and low center of gravity ensure gentle treatment of the soil and safe off-road use. The Bergman Model 2040 R4-ton dump truck with swivel body is extremely robust, economical, and has excellent off-road handling. The floating rear axle ensures constant contact with the ground, making it extremely maneuverable and stable. The driver is always fully aware of the condition of his Bergman tipper. If, for example, there is a risk of tipping on its side, the driver is warned in advance. This creates a much higher level of safety than in a conventional vehicle, with floating suspension in the center section. Chop something fast? For the cool giant slicer, it's a no-brainer. Now, thanks to it, high-speed slicing is commonplace, making every task easier and faster. Friends, just forget about the slow and tedious planting of plants. Now there is a machine that takes care of all the work, ensuring fast planting with perfectly even rows. With it, your field will look flawless without any extra effort. Create the perfect metal mesh quickly? Easy, if you have a mechanized pro assistant at hand. With such a partner, even the most complex tasks become easy, and all in a matter of moments. The process of spinning a part on a machine has a strange magic that can instantly capture your attention. Don't be surprised if you find yourself breathlessly watching every movement of the machine until it completes its work. And here you can take a closer look at how the whole process of pavement removal takes place. Maybe you haven't thought about how the very key parts are created, without which the construction process comes to a standstill, but believe me, seeing them produced with your own eyes is something absolutely fascinating. Even unyielding metal will yield when you are armed with the right equipment. Creating the perfect notch becomes an easy and enjoyable task, showing that with the right tool, nothing is impossible. Ready to see things from a different angle? And be prepared. Sometimes a change of perspective only enhances perception. I bet you can't imagine what wonders are unfolding on the screen now. And what you are about to see will exceed all expectations. You may not have given much thought to the process of making records, but it's surprisingly easy when you have the right machines. With their help, a process that seems like magic becomes a reality. Whew, and what can I say here? Even with the increased amount of product, the press creates perfectly formed meats with ease. It's a true miracle of efficiency in your kitchen. Reducing road spray and mud on logs. This cargo equipment will fit in any truck and can be changed from truck to truck without modifications. The Mobile Splitter X2 is used by Maxwell GmbH for the preparation of excavated soil and loamy material. The sturdy chain cart is ideal for working on uneven ground. With its stable and sturdy screen deck, the twin-wave Splitter X2 is simply ideal for working with heavy and sticky material. Flexible adjustment options ensure reliable material flow throughout the entire process. The use of modern motor technology ensures the throughputs of up to 200 tons per hour. You are looking at a 3-axle, low-loader tractor equipped with a large cargo crane that can work 360 degrees thanks to its X-shaped stabilizer design. The truck crane is the only one in the Autotrasporti Giolo fleet that has a special X shape. It can lift 28 tons close to the vehicle and 2,535 pounds at 118 feet. Such machinery is used for loading and unloading. For example, steel beams, concrete pipes, and various construction equipment. The Holaris FOD turns the task of keeping airports clean into a process of high precision and efficiency. With a sweeping width of 23 feet and with 3 interconnecting units, this machine easily attaches to different tractors, allowing one operator to operate it with surprising ease. Forget about lengthy maintenance. The Holaris FOD minimizes the cost and time required to keep it up and running. Its ability to efficiently clear FODs of various sizes and materials ensures the safety of every takeoff and landing. So with a spacious 400-liter collection box and environmentally friendly operation, the machine becomes the ideal solution for keeping airport areas spotless, eliminating the risk of SPT and ensuring every aircraft flies in peace. The West Bundle Sage is a special firewood saw, and here's how it works. If an area is filled with wood, a so-called clamp is used to hold the logs in place. A tractor with 70 horsepower or more can be used to bring the filled firewood saw to where it ultimately needs to be cut. At the push of a button, the saw, whose teeth are only 0.04 inches thick, starts up and chews through the wood from bottom to top, which is automatically cut to the desired length. The ejector transports the remaining wood in the box to a stack of previously sawn logs. The firewood saw takes about 4 minutes to cut 1 metric piece of wood into 13-inch pieces. KGHM Zanum has completed another export delivery of a powerful loader, LKP 0703. The machine was ordered by a contractor from Germany and is designed to meet all its needs. Firstly, the loader is equipped with a remote control system, which allows performance tasks even in the most difficult conditions of modern mines. It is also the first remote-controlled machine delivered to a mine and is operating in the demanding and limited German market. Creating perfect parts seems like a mystery, only until a powerful technological titan enters the scene. With its help, the manufacturing process becomes an art form, where every action is precise and efficient. The A-frame, created by Elphinstone, is a low-maintenance trailer with less dead weight. It has no slots or pole pins, but pole repositioning can be easily adjusted. Elphinstone's unique design allows the vehicle to not only slide, but also pivot, which reduces stress on the A-frame, pole front, and pole hitch. The folding rear mudguards have replaceable nylon bushings, and the hinges, stretchable mudguards, and fully enclosed suspension provide superior protection for cables, air lines, and brake parts, making cleanup easier and reducing road spray and mud on logs. This cargo equipment will fit in any truck and can be changed from truck to truck without modifications. The Mobile Splitter X2 is used by Maxwell GmbH for the preparation of excavated soil and loamy material. The sturdy chain cart is ideal for working on uneven ground. With its stable and sturdy screen deck, the twin-wave Splitter X2 is simply ideal for working with heavy and sticky material. Flexible adjustment options ensure reliable material flow throughout the entire process. The use of modern motor technology ensures the throughputs of up to 200 tons per hour. You see a new 7-axle super dump on the new Kenworth T800. This incredibly cool dump truck is rated at 80,000 pounds in the Federal Bridge formula and allows you to load over 25 tons. Several options are available, including the IntelliTruck control system with onboard scales, rear-view camera, and body angle monitor. The machine functions like clockwork, where every part and every process is set with remarkable precision and synchronization. There is no room for chance at all. All elements of the system work together smoothly and efficiently. The BF 120.4 crushing bucket is specially designed for crushing and all recycling operations of aggregates and quarries and dumps. This high-performance and versatile model has been able to win a special place in crushing on large-scale construction sites in the city and beyond in just a few years. This equipment is the ideal accessory for large crushing projects. It is suitable for excavators from 30 to 45 tons and guarantees high crushing performance on large urban and suburban construction sites. The tractor turns the difficult task of removing old road surfaces into an easy exercise. With its help, the process is not only quick, but also marvelously efficient, as if the machine embodies the art of building new paths. You see, not just a machine, but your key to the world underground. Just look at the Vermeer Trencher, the perfect tool for those who are ready to change the landscape with intelligence and efficiency. Whether you're laying utility lines, installing pipes, or creating drainage systems, this mighty trencher digs its way through the toughest soils. By the way, all of this company's trencher models are unique, each with control features ready to make your work more productive. Colesol presents the Double XL Manure Mixer, your new best friend in fermentation. Strongly mixed means well mixed is now your motto, and all thanks to this machine. It is designed for those who are tired of inefficient old methods and are looking to optimize the process. With a reach up to 121 feet and 370-degree coverage, no corner will go untouched. The Double XL model ensures that every particle of your manure is thoroughly mixed, providing the perfect environment for microorganisms to thrive and increase gas output. Even when access seems impossible, the Double XL mixer will find its way, overcoming obstacles and reaching its target with incredible precision and efficiency. Transporting vehicles is a process that requires not only logistical skill, but also special attention to the safety of the vehicles being transported. The Blyce 6-car transporter brings these requirements to life by offering a sophisticated system for safe and efficient transportation. Equipped with innovative securing mechanisms, it secures the vehicles at all stages of the journey. The unique platform design optimizes space by adapting to vehicles of different sizes and classes. The system of loading and unloading vehicles is maximally simplified, which reduces operation time and minimizes risks for logistics personnel. When engineering meets art, the CIFA K47H on Mercedes-Benz AROX 8x4 is born, a concrete pump that knows no equal. The heart of this beast beats to the rhythm of 4,944 cubic feet of concrete per hour, surging free through the carbon fiber veins of its booms. And not just a machine, it's the epitome of power and grace, where every element, from the antennas to the handrails, play its unique role in creating a symphony. Behind every sound of its engine is the promise of unrivaled power, providing not only efficiency but also inspiration on the way to completing each project. The VMM 310 from SNP Private Limited brings the world into the era of brick automation, becoming the first fully automatic system of its kind. This machine is a true speed champion, producing 12,000 bricks every hour, thanks to its unique ability to move on wheels. It provides a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution, reducing the need for workers and water usage to a minimum. The bricks created by the VMM 310 are not only 3 times stronger than traditional bricks, but also cost 45% less. The machine can work with various raw materials, including clay and fly ash, producing different types of brick, and giving owners the freedom to produce anywhere and anytime, opening up new horizons in brickmaking. In a world where every piece of land holds undiscovered treasures, the eccentric XR22 comes into play as a master destroyer, overturning conventional notions of power and efficiency. Born from the bowels of innovation, this hydraulic ripper carries the banner of revolution, offering a new approach to working the ground. Thanks to its patented impact technology through energy storage, it turns the roughest rocks into dust, opening the way for quarries, tunnels, and new construction. Meet an innovation in firewood harvesting, the mounted wood splitter for mini excavators. It's not just an addition to your machine, it is a revolutionary tool that will bring pleasure from every split log. With it, you will forget about hard work and tiring hours of work, because its efficiency and maneuverability make the process of cutting firewood fast and easy. No matter how large the log you have, the wood splitter will handle it instantly, leaving behind only perfectly split firewood. The Aussie's Modular Lifter is a revolutionary solar panel installation solution that will turn any project into a work of art. Whether it's micro-adjusting the angle or carefully lowering, your team on the ground has everything they need for perfect alignment before installation. Completed with specialized pallet forks and smooth module placement capabilities, the Aussie's Modular Lifter ensures every step of the installation is flawless. Its 325-pound lifting capacity, 360-degree passive rotation, and operation in temperatures ranging from -36 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit make it an indispensable helper in virtually any environment. And with automatic grab and release and articulating cups for precise alignment, work efficiency and safety reach a new level. You see a giant excavator which takes on the task of dismantling an old building. In its arsenal is the VTN MT20 powerful hydraulic shears with 2 cylinders. They are like huge Terminator jaws, effortlessly cutting through metal and concrete, turning massive structures into a pile of rubble. With each bite of their steel teeth, the walls of this now never-needed structure surrender under the onslaught of strength and precision. And you know, it's not just dismantling, but a true superiority of power and engineering, transforming something old into a new space of possibility. Discover the Westech Woodcracker C550 Feller Buncher, a true giant among tree shears that effortlessly handles the task of harvesting trees up to 1.8 feet in diameter. In this video, this powerful machine demonstrates its capabilities by ridding an orange field of old windbreak trees that were taking away valuable moisture and blocking out light. But the most impressive part is the biomass from the work, which is recycled into nutritious fertilizer for the new trees, providing the necessary conditions for growth and fruiting. The Woodcracker C550 doesn't just remove obstacles, it takes care of future crops, turning problems into nutrients for new life. Sandvik introduces the next generation of Ranger DXi series drilling machines for a wide range of hole sizes from 3 to 5.5 inches. Now you have a new fully optimized drilling system based on the expanded and powerful RT900 family of drills and complemented by all new unique CT55 and CT67 curved threaded tools. In addition, the user gets unrivaled coverage, advanced automation, and connectivity options. Looking for a versatile solution that combines the elevator and the mobility of a trailer? Equipter introduces the revolutionary Model 7000. This engineering marvel is easily transportable to any job site, and with its help, You can lift a container of materials up to 25 feet and 5 inches, or use the optional forks to lift up to 23 feet and 5 inches. Controlled remotely, the Equipter 7000 is equipped with various steering modes to ensure precise positioning. Rest assured, the versatile elevator trailer will be your indispensable assistant on any construction site, providing exceptional functionality and flexibility. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. In a world where every drop of fuel is worth its weight in gold, Rex stands as the champion of efficiency and flexibility in the mining industry. Don't be afraid of narrow lanes or steep climbs, because with a 15.7-foot turning radius and width, and the ability to negotiate gradients of up to 12%, the Rex will get your load where it needs to go with ease. Best of all, it does so economically, traveling up to 24.8 miles with a full load and reducing fuel consumption by 20 to 30%. Its 5-axle, 20-wheel design is not only unique, but can haul up to 160 tons of cargo at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, making the Rex a true truck marathoner. The VDM is a high-performance CIED route clearance vehicle that combines maximum survivability with excellent off-road performance and a tremendous level of flexibility. The VDM is versatile and can be customized to defend against a wide range of threats in operating environments. The vehicle has a false target package on a push-pull boom trap to activate IEDs in front of the vehicle on 12.8-foot wide tracks. There is also an underbody metal detector to detect buried EIDs on 10-foot wide tracks. The VDM also offers high growth potential to combat rapidly evolving threats in theater. How can you clean large tunnels? Very simply with the TWG Model 600K flexible cleaning system. The long boom reach and attachments equipped with modern sensor technology, such as the high-pressure washing boom and tunnel cleaning brush, ensure efficient and thorough cleaning. Assembly and disassembly is quick and easy thanks to the container-type twist locks. No additional equipment is required, as the unit has its own support legs. The processes are monitored from the integrated operator's cabin, who is permanently connected to the driver via voice radio. Armed with a magnetic tool, this giant machine turns the process of clearing large areas of metal debris into a quick and easy task. Its efficiency is astounding, proving that advanced technology is capable of miracles in the most mundane processes. An exciting new video, The Ferret, demonstrates that any vehicle can traverse any type of terrain on the open country line of tires. Off-road champion BJ Baldwin drives the advanced Ferret through forests and deserts, easily tackling the most impassable of obstacles. The car was built on the platform of the British Reconnaissance Armored Car Ferret of 1959 and significantly customized. The auto has 6 massive Toyo open country tires mounted on original design wheels. 2 of them are driven by internally controlled hydraulic motors. The King Shock suspension allows the Ferret to drive over rough terrain and obstacles with ease. It also features a powerful Chevrolet LS engine in the rear of the vehicle. Meet the Rototilt R3, the master of manipulation for excavators weighing between 6 and 12 tons. With a breakout torque of 85 kilonewton-meters, this unit is rewriting the rules of the game for the most compact machines. Whether it's construction or cleaning railroad tracks with a special mounted rotating brush, the R3's integrated slewing mechanism promises unmatched precision and performance, supported by 250-bar hydraulics. With its central lubrication system and load-holding valves, every task becomes easier. You see a telehandler, a symbol of power and reliability created for those who are looking for more than just equipment, but a reliable work assistant. With its unique ability to handle biomass and dispense of food waste effortlessly, the Cenoboggan 340G stands out as a master of its own craft. Its special design with automatic transmission and chopping optimized control system makes every task more efficient. In addition to its powerful lifting capacity, this loader can work on narrow ledges and difficult gradients, offering performance that optimizes processes and increases efficiency at every stage. How can you make shredding branches not only efficient, but also comfortable? The HEM 593R Cobra offers the solution. This machine easily handles brush and wood up to 22 inches, making it the perfect choice for large jobs in the most challenging conditions. What makes the Cobra unique is its automatic transmission, which allows you to move forward without stopping, and the easy to-control system, which makes every action intuitive. Thanks to the centrifugal fan, the overload becomes even on either side. Plus, optional extras including professional tools and the Easy Light lighting system takes ease of use to a new level. IC is the new autonomous tractor from AutoAgra. The autonomous tractor, or agricultural robot, can operate day and night, saving fuel and reducing operating expenses. Agreed, this is cool news. It also seems that the company's goal was to maximize efficiency to reduce the use of seed, fertilizer, and pesticides when operations are performed with precision in the best weather conditions. Italian manufacturer Barrett has delivered its first AB-23 SL bridge inspection rig to Hong Kong for use on the Lantau Link bridges. You can see now a whole series of bridges, 2.17 miles long, connecting Hong Kong International Airport to the city. The AB-23 SL machine is capable of maneuvering the suspended spans of the bridge. In addition, the machinery is mounted on a 4-axle Volvo FM420 8x4 truck chassis. The upper structure contains a bucket-type truck tower, which can work both under the bridge and overhead. The platform is capable of hauling loads up to 551 pounds. It has a horizontal reach under the bridge of 12 feet and an overhead reach of 87 feet. Pocket Bucket is a remote-controlled tracked mini-loader equipped with a bucket for working in hazardous areas, in mining sites for example. The bucket's lightweight and retractable design allows the machine to be easily transported in a van or on a trailer. The Pocket Bucket embodies a specialized machine with a running gear that is made of high-strength materials with an anti-corrosion coating. The Smart Battery System, SPS, is an integrated sealed compartment that houses the charger for the remote control. The spare battery is charged automatically while the machine is running. Simple and intuitive operation with a single joystick ensures that you always have one hand free to control other machine movements. We see a continuous drum-type harvester from Komatsu with a double-picking head system that is ideal for industrial mining of large quantities of minerals. With a machine weight of 340,000 pounds and a maximum cutting height of 20 feet, this model has everything you need to maximize productivity in heavy-duty applications. The machine features a heavy-duty track chain and drive system for efficient operation. The combine's traction system includes the patented OptiDrive electronic AC system, which combines with a compact four-wheel drive transmission to provide smooth and reliable operation. Sandvik introduces the next generation of Ranger DXi series drilling machines for a wide range of hole sizes from 3 to 5.5 inches. Now you have a new fully optimized drilling system based on the expanded and powerful RT900 family of drills and complemented by all new unique CT55 and CT67 curved threaded tools. In addition, the user gets unrivaled coverage, advanced automation, and connectivity options. The Pilkmaster Evo wood chipper can be modified with additional equipment to the exact machine you need. The Pilkmaster Evo 36HC Lite is designed for efficient and easy operation. This makes it an excellent machine for collective use, for example. The body of the machine is designed to adjust to the size the user requires, ensuring ergonomics. The quiet chainsaw with an automatic lubrication system cuts wood efficiently. Thanks to the open box device, debris and waste wood is poured out of the mechanism. The option of hydraulic height adjustment of the splitting blade, which comes standard, ensures efficient and pleasant operation. The splitting power and speed of the Pilkmaster Evo 36 wood splitter are automatically adjusted according to the size and strength of the timber. XCMG excavators are machines with outstanding technical characteristics, which have proved themselves perfectly in the process of construction, excavation, and repair of communications. Interestingly, for maneuvering, the technique does not require a large open space, and it works with virtually any soil. Efficient, powerful engine of relatively small volume fully complies with Euro 2. To eliminate the possibility of damage or suspension of work due to frost, an automatic engine heating system is provided. Their innovative dual pump system in the hydraulics ensures stable spreader value operation and high flow rates. As a consequence, increased boom and bucket performance and productivity. Rational power distribution, low fuel consumption, and low noise level make XCMG excavators a very attractive purchase according to potential customers. With just one precise movement, this majestic machine works wonders to create metal parts of impeccable quality. Every product that comes out of its hands is a masterpiece, ready to be used in a wide variety of applications. With several giants of technology taking up the challenge, one thing is promised: perfection in every curve and precision in every corner of your future. You can rest assured it will be perfect for future use. The magical union of the human mind and the machine creates the impossible, turning any task into child's play. Together they blur all boundaries, easily conquering new heights. Creating perfect parts seems like a mystery, only until a powerful technological titan enters the scene. With its help, the manufacturing process becomes an art form, where every action is precise and efficient. Wow! Watch as this device spins and instantly wraps pipes into a package. It's a real-time and energy saver with anyone who has ever tried to pack a pipe themselves. Small, but mighty. That perfectly describes this unusual crawler friend. Don't doubt, friends. Not only small vegetation, but also small trees will be flattened by its relentless pressure. Just watch as the corner of the piece is cut with unbelievable skill, transforming it into a perfect product that is exactly as specified. Interesting. Under the power of such a powerful machine, wood is turned into splinters in a matter of moments. The incredible power of the equipment leaves no chance for wood to resist, demonstrating its efficiency and speed in operation. Based on the special needs of people involved in beekeeping, the Hungarian company Gevex introduced its new hive crane called MMD 120 a few years ago. This productive machine has a special sail system, thanks to which it can be mounted directly on a vehicle. Such a machine quite satisfies the need of operators that the horizontal movement of the crane boom system, crane leveling, can be realized automatically in a short time instead of relatively slow mechanical adjustment. The Twinka ES 500 Slim from Twinka has a payload capacity of 0.5 tons and is ideal for limited space. This mini dump truck is designed for gardens, gardening, as well as for demolition and outdoor work, etc. The high lift feature increases efficiency and is particularly characterized by the ability to unload stacked or over high edges, such as a container. At 32.11 feet, the ES 500 Slim has a very comfortable loading height. A fully charged battery keeps the machine running for a full day's work, and charging takes 4 to 5 hours. The machine's automatic steering mechanism reduces the need for physical labor to a minimum, even when the mini dump truck is heavily loaded. The steering mechanism can be moved and adjusted according to the operator's height. This helps ensure an optimal ergonomic working position for the operator and reduces physical strain. What do you think about the Steer AS14? You probably didn't even know it was a powerful machine with up to 50 horsepower, designed to handle tough conditions. With the optional Steer scraper bucket mounted on the 939 Fendt Vario, it picks up 494 cubic feet of material in just 15 seconds, while a 23-ton excavator with a 49.4 cubic foot bucket would take more than 3 minutes to operate. With a steer-trailed scraper and a hauling range of 984 to 4,921 feet, it is 3 times more efficient than traditional methods. The CAS AT7 is not just a slinger, but a revolutionary off-road all-terrain vehicle built to go where other machines give up. This fully remote-controlled 4-wheel drive vehicle is specifically designed to transport materials to the most inaccessible corners. With a width of only 12 feet, the AT7 maneuvers easily in tight and confined spaces without sacrificing power. Its 225 HP Cat engine can haul loads up to 150 feet. The AT7 is the perfect solution for moving large amounts of material where it seemed impossible. When it comes to cutting metal sheets with perfect precision, a powerful machine becomes an indispensable assistant. Thanks to its impressive capabilities, you can be assured of smooth and clean edges without unnecessary effort. Wondering how to increase the efficiency of your construction equipment? Meet the PDX 1000, the latest in demolition hammer technology for mini loaders and excavators. This powerful tool combines power, reliability, and operator comfort. The PDX 1000 delivers superior performance, even in the toughest conditions, driving poles up to 9 inches in diameter into any soil. See it in action while installing a fence along a gravel road to see the benefits of using such powerful equipment in practice. Watching the guy operating his unique machine, you can't help but notice his satisfaction with his work. Clearly enjoys the process, realizing that he has made his task much easier thanks to the new technology. This giant of a tool, equipped with powerful teeth, can easily carry massive volumes of wood. No longer just a helper, but a real hero loader, ready to safely deliver your goods wherever you need them. Forget about overflowing bins thanks to the PackMat compactor. One pass and the raw material is already converted into compact material, making room for new material. And what's even better, PackMat also offers a solution to easily transport these bins, making the waste management process as efficient as possible. The Machira's Air Core is revolutionizing the way we think about firefighting, working effectively on large surfaces and with liquid fires. The machine quickly reduces heat and improves visibility, ensuring safety and simplifying the firefighting process. Meet the machine that literally breaks the laws of physics with its power and versatility. Reverse through muddy areas and carry massive loads that seem too heavy for others with incredible ease. This machine is a true master of its craft, capable of handling any task with ease. In a matter of seconds, the tree is on the ground, cut so cleanly that you can't even tell if there was a stump. All thanks to professional technology, which makes the cutting process so precise that the ground is left without a single trace. Watching the guy operating his unique machine, you can't help but notice his satisfaction with his work. Clearly enjoys the process, realizing that he has made his task much easier thanks to the new technology. Consider metal cutting. Any worker, even with maximum effort and skill, would spend incomparably more time on this process than is required by a high-tech machine that demonstrates marvels of speed and precision. The professional rolling master turns any material into a dough, quickly extracting perfect layers of the desired thickness from under his rollers. Great, isn't it? If you try to do the same thing manually, it won't take much longer, I assure you. So you see a real find for those who appreciate speed and quality in cooking. For those who have never had the chance to dive into the world of manufacturing, it may come as a surprise how exciting and dynamic process flows can be outside the office walls. Wouldn't you agree? The Brachy P11A is the Swiss knife among planters, equipped with everything you need for forest regeneration from A to Z. The machine turns regeneration into a work of art, considering ecology at every step. From scarification to precise planting, the P11A does it with ease right from the cab. It creates mounds of humus ideal for all soil types and places new life in the middle of each compacted mound. All parameters are controlled through the PLC platform and displayed, allowing the operator to select the ideal conditions for each seedling. Every action, from sowing depth to considering the plants already growing, is controlled with incredible precision. Introducing Road Printer, a magical whirlwind in the world of road construction that transforms any project into a master asphalt driveway with ease. A dream machine capable of bringing to life webs from 13.1 to 19.7 feet long and up to 19.7 feet wide in just one motion. The best you've seen in the field. Want a narrow path or a wide avenue? Road Printer knows no limitations, allowing you to vary widths from 3.3 feet to 19.7 feet. And with the RPS LT75 tray, every foot of your new road will be perfect, as if it came from the hand of a true artist. Imagine a machine that can meet any challenge on the road to cleanliness. The Super 2000 on a Mercedes Actros chassis is just such a hero. This machine is a true giant in the world of cleaning. What makes it so special? For starters, it can clean pipes that other machines don't even dare to touch, extract contaminants from great depths in mill pipes. The Super 2000 utilizes a water recycling system that not only saves resources, but also makes the cleaning process more efficient. Water that has been cleaned from sludge in the tank returns to play, providing powerful and continuous cleaning. And with a telescopic boom reaching the hardest to reach places, there's no task it will back down to. So, if you ask, can the cleaning process be made even more productive? With the Super 2000, the answer is unequivocally yes. In just a few moments, the spinning machine passes through metal as if it were made of oil, rather than one of the strongest materials on Earth. Instantly, the machine becomes a powerful tool, dividing the ground with the precision of a surgical scalpel. It is a pleasure to watch it work because it makes the whole process surprisingly simple and efficient. With steady efficiency and speed, this machine does its job, cutting down trees one by one. Without any pity, but with precision, it fulfills its purpose. See how this young man is working on his lawn? He clearly enjoys it immensely. Not only is it good for the lawn, but it brings him great joy. A true example of how a favorite activity can be doubly beneficial. It is impressive to witness the process by which rigid metal becomes flexible and obedient in the hands of a professional machine. It's almost like magic. Complex shapes and curves emerge from an unyielding material with a special ease. Clearing snow may seem like a gigantic challenge, but not for specialized machinery. Even the largest snowdrifts can be cleared without difficulty. You are looking at a machine that does something magical. As it works the soil, it seems to paint on it, turning the work in the ground into a real art. Its movement across the field is like a dance, where every turn becomes a part of a larger canvas. Thanks to high productivity and perfect synchronization of the mechanisms, the machine produces protective metal weaving of incredible complexity. The result is a powerful combination of reliability and efficiency that demonstrates the cool capabilities of modern technology. Before you start, remember to protect your eyes with special goggles. Are you ready? Now, all eyes on the screen. When two field cultivating machines work in unison, it is more than just an agronomic operation. They literally inspire the land, creating optimum conditions for its future. The Manitou Model MLTX 961 forklift has a lift height of 29.5 feet and a maximum lift capacity of 6 tons. With a 141 horsepower engine, an M-Vario Plus transmission, the machine offers even more comfort, productivity, and cost efficiency. For your comfort, the machine comes standard with an ultra-quiet new AG XL cab, easy access, automatic parking brake, cup holder, full storage compartments, and optional adaptive air suspension. This forklift is equipped with an air pre-filter and an auto-reserve fan. These features are perfectly adapted to dusty environments. The 200 liter per minute pump and optional intelligent hydraulics package meet customer needs in terms of performance in agriculture and agro-industry. Over the past decade, automation has become a crucial factor in smart agriculture. Using advanced technologies such as smart sensing, machine learning, and robotics, agricultural processes can be optimized in a multitude of innovative ways. With a true mission to make farming easier and increase productivity, TerraClear has developed a comprehensive automation system that focuses specifically on automating stone removal. Using a computer vision system to map the terrain and determine the size and location of stone stuck in the soil, the hard work is done by automated equipment, saving farmers a lot of time and money. Anyway, you can see for yourself how cool it works. Designed for heavy-duty applications, the rugged 2814W injected scraper can withstand the most extreme conditions over the long life of the machine, and the 2614D modification D-scraper with swivel joint makes it easy to move difficult bulk materials on heavy-duty construction sites. So, this technique allows you to effectively unload the worst soil imaginable. Here it is again, red-hot metal, which in the skillful hands of a master craftsman becomes a perfect piece. This process not ever ceases to amaze, demonstrating how perfection is born from fiery raw materials. Create a perfectly shaped metal product with smooth outlines and precise dimensions? No question at all. Having an arsenal of mechanized assistant working as accurately and efficiently as possible. With a Toro self-propelled aerator, you can easily provide your soccer field with perfect aeration. The machine effectively pierces holes in the turf, improving the air and water exchange of the root system. I must admit, this device is a real breakthrough, friends. It significantly accelerates the construction process, saving time and effort for many craftsmen. An incredible find for any construction site. With the arrival of the construction 3D printer, the tasks for the rest of the workforce have become much easier. Notice the precision and perfect lines it generates. The results are truly impressive. Watching the actions of such a powerful technique, you can't help but catch yourself thinking, magic exists. Its ability to transform complex tasks into a real art makes your heart beat faster, and it is impossible to take your eyes off what is happening. The machine functions like clockwork, where every part and every process is set with remarkable precision and synchronization. There is no room for chance at all. All elements of the system work together smoothly and efficiently. You're looking at high-tech hybrid drive underground loaders with reliable, independent electric motors in each wheel. The Komatsu 22H and Model 18H left-hand drive hybrid loaders claim the lowest total operating expenses in their class. According to the manufacturer, the two machines offer a 20% increase in hauled volume over conventionally powered loaders. They also provide up to 20% reduction in fuel costs according to performance tests. This hybrid is designed to help you reduce costs and achieve your underground hard rock mining goals of zero emissions and electrification. Iron Knight Volvo Trax has twice become the fastest tractor in the world. It broke the speed record in the 546 and 1,093 yard categories. It has been at the top for several years, and the record has not been broken until now. This record holder is special in every way. Everything except the I-Shift dual engine and the transmission is custom made, not standard. The car makes 2,400 horsepower, 6,000 newton meters of torque, and weighs 4.5 tons. The software has been reprogrammed for high performance. The cabin has an aerodynamically optimized shape and is made of fiberglass. Finally, there are large air intakes on the sidewalls to ensure good engine cooling. Chop something fast? For the cool giant slicer, it's a no-brainer. Now, thanks to it, high-speed slicing is commonplace, making every task easier and faster. Friends, just forget about the slow and tedious planting of plants. Now there is a machine that takes care of all the work, ensuring fast planting with perfectly even rows. With it, your field will look flawless without any extra effort. Create the perfect metal mesh quickly? Easy, if you have a mechanized pro assistant at hand. With such a partner, even the most complex tasks become easy, and all in a matter of moments. The process of spinning a part on a machine has a strange magic that can instantly capture your attention. Don't be surprised if you find yourself breathlessly watching every movement of the machine until it completes its work. And here you can take a closer look at how the whole process of pavement removal takes place. Maybe you haven't thought about how the very key parts are created, without which the construction process comes to a standstill, but believe me, seeing them produced with your own eyes is something absolutely fascinating. Even unyielding metal will yield when you are armed with the right equipment. Creating the perfect notch becomes an easy and enjoyable task, showing that with the right tool, nothing is impossible. Ready to see things from a different angle? And be prepared. Sometimes a change of perspective only enhances perception. I bet you can't imagine what wonders are unfolding on the screen now. And what you are about to see will exceed all expectations. You may not have given much thought to the process of making records, but it's surprisingly easy when you have the right machines. With their help, a process that seems like magic becomes a reality. Whew, and what can I say here? Even with the increased amount of product, the press creates perfectly formed meats with ease. It's a true miracle of efficiency in your kitchen. The Watermaster multi-purpose amphibious dredger excels at tasks that would normally be accomplished with several machines. With its versatile array of quick-change work attachments, the Watermaster can perform all shallow water jobs from dry ground to a depth of 22 feet. The Technique has a 6-cylinder engine with turbocharger Caterpillar C7.1. The fuel tank capacity is 1,200 liters. The dredger is equipped with a modern cabin with excellent visibility, which has received FOPS certificate for protection from falling objects. There is also a function of self-locking and working movement without the use of additional vessels, winches, and cables. Meet the powerful, modern Multi-Rex. The Multi-Rex will be a great helper for you on any demolition or partial demolition project. This unit can chew concrete and other strongest materials without any problems. This technique saves you time and money, allowing you to focus on doing more projects and completing them faster with the fewest number of employees at each site. With the Multi-Rex, you can easily remove large slabs, break them into pieces to fit in the dump truck, and get on the next job sooner. You can see now how new peatland is cleared in Finland. The ripping is done 11.8 to 15.7 inches below ground level because this is the layer where all vegetation and stumps are crushed. The mulcher comes with a 250 horsepower farm tractor. This wetland clearing equipment, designed and manufactured by Suconi, is well suited for clearing new wetlands as well as maintaining old ones. The machine can also be used to cultivate agricultural fields and wetlands. Different preparatory cutters are used to cut down bog brush, stumps, and snags. How often have you thought that the process of cutting firewood could be easy and efficient? With the Typhoon RCA 330 Joy and Fun wood chippers, now everything is possible. Powered by an electric motor or connected to a tractor, these machines can make firewood production extraordinarily simple. Capable of processing logs from 0.16 to 1.08 feet in diameter and turning them into logs from 0.66 to 1.31 feet long, the Typhoon makes firewood making efficient and less tedious work. These machines will be your trusted partners in firewood production, ensuring the perfect size and shape of each log. Are you ready to soar to the heights of construction with innovative Manitex Vala cranes? These powerful mobile cranes, with lifting capacities from 2 to 40 tons, are available in electric, diesel, and hybrid drive, so you can always find the perfect option for any task. Whether you choose a wheeled model for easy maneuverability or a crawler version for stability on rough terrain, every Manitex Vala crane is ready to transform your workflow. With a fixed or swinging boom and many specialized settings, these cranes are designed to meet the unique and challenging requirements. It is a mesmerizing process when a metal mesh is born out of ordinary metal under the power of skillful machines. It is a true art, where the machines become an indispensable assistant in such painstaking work. Guttering is an item without which it is hard to imagine any home, but when it comes to making it, not many people can visualize the process. The procedure is quite educational, that's for sure. It's also incredibly entertaining. The complex system of the entire large mechanism creates a perfectly compressed raw material that is instantly ready for use. The efficiency and thoughtfulness of the process is astonishing. Under the magical influence of the machine, an object originally decorated with ribs in the hands of a magician master acquires incredible smoothness. This metamorphosis from roughness to perfection is simply mesmerizing. It's wonderful how modern machines can marvel at their power and speed of task completion. Efficient? Definitely, yes. A modern machine with a cutter is a real artist in the world of car discs, which gives them a state of absolute perfection. For car lovers, this is a dream come true because what could be more important than perfection in every detail of their iron horse? In everyday life, we are used to surrounding ourselves with functional and beautiful tableware without thinking about the outstanding stages of its creation. Behind each elegant object is a unique production process that combines art, technology, and craftsmanship. When it comes to cutting sheet metal, a specialized machine comes to the fore, demonstrating its superiority over manual work. Its precision and speed deserve not just approval, but also the highest rating, a solid A+. Allow me to introduce you to a machine that is not just a machine, but a whole orchestra of mechanisms playing in unison for the sole purpose of achieving perfection. Its appearance, it is the epitome of performance and power, a real visual treat. Street food is experiencing a real revolution thanks to the introduction of multifunctional machines that have the potential to replace an entire team of cooks. With these machines, the food preparation process takes on a new dimension. Now you have the opportunity to witness something magical, a process in which a laser transforms simple materials into exquisite works of art with amazing precision and ease. Just look and enjoy. Meet a major league player in the world of metalworking, a powerful press that makes sharp, smooth cuts like magic. This helper not only saves you time and effort, but also takes your projects to the next level. Watching the transformation of a rough material into a refined creation is a pleasure for the soul. Each stage of this transformation is a testament to the wonders of modern machine craftsmanship, transforming the ordinary into a timeless symbol of aesthetics and grace. Be on the lookout for something incredible to see. Creating a metal thread weave is a process that will undoubtedly leave you enthralled. The play of light on the intertwined metallic threads creates an effect that is impossible to take your eyes off. Stop and admire this machine in action. Its movements resemble the work of a skilled seamstress who, hook by hook, brings a magnificent fabric to life. The precision and accuracy of the workmanship make the manufacturing process a true art. Huge technologically advanced machines handle the glowing materials as easily as if they were toys in their hands. This approach to production really demonstrates the power of modern technology. When it comes to cutting metal sheets with perfect precision, a powerful machine becomes an indispensable assistant. Thanks to its impressive capabilities, you can be assured of smooth and clean edges without unnecessary effort. Armed with a magnetic tool, this giant machine turns the process of clearing large areas of metal debris into a quick and easy task. Its efficiency is astounding, proving that advanced technology is capable of miracles in the most mundane processes. The tractor turns the difficult task of removing old road surfaces into an easy exercise. With its help, the process is not only quick, but also marvelously efficient, as if the machine embodies the art of building new paths. 3 high-performance monsters have taken on the task of taking care of the roads during heavy snowdrifts, and it's a pleasure to watch them work. With their incredible power and coordinated action, winter roads will be safe. Cliff model ML1612R is a unique machine, the only forklift with a lifting capacity of 16 to 18 tons that can easily drive into a standard container and moves quickly in confined spaces such as warehouses and marine vessels. MechLift's various attachments expand the possibilities of using a single machine for different purposes. It can stack 20-foot containers in 3 tiers. The hydraulically raised cab provides excellent visibility for the operator, even when handling large loads. With this forklift, you have more space and better visibility, which has a positive effect on the safety of the load itself. John Deere, the world's largest manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has presented a new prototype of an electric tractor. It appears that the company intends to revolutionize the world of agricultural machinery. The tractor named Sesame is equipped with 130 kilowatt-hour batteries and surpasses all modern agricultural machinery by its quietness. You have to agree, but it looks no less impressive. One look at these huge tanks of a solar power plant, and it's clear that transporting them can be a real challenge. However, 2 new Arox trucks with a payload capacity of up to 250 tons were able to cope with this enormous task. The size of the load was truly staggering, and the total weight was nothing to speak of. But the 2 impressive Arox with 6x6 wheel arrangement, 6-cylinder engine, and 425 kilowatts of power did the job. Before the transportation of this huge load could begin, the team of experts had to carry out a detailed analysis to determine a suitable route. On some parts of the route, detours and temporary traffic routes even had to be organized. The vehicles also achieved their goal by utilizing an important technology that is perfectly adapted to this type of operation. The non-wearable turbo retarder clutch. Every drop of fuel is worth its weight in gold. Rex stands as the champion of efficiency and flexibility in the mining industry. Don't be afraid of narrow lanes or steep climbs, because with a 15.7-foot turning radius and width, and the ability to negotiate gradients of up to 12%, the Rex will get your load where it needs to go with ease. Best of all, it does so economically, traveling up to 24.8 miles with a full load and reducing fuel consumption by 20 to 30%. Its 5-axle, 20-wheel design is not only unique, but can haul up to 160 tons of cargo at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, making the Rex a true truck marathoner. Kobelco took demolition to a new level with the 10E Series SK1300 DLC when it launched the world in 2022. And now, as you can see, this huge machine is playing a key role in the redevelopment of Rotterdam, transforming an old hospital into a place for knowledge and innovation. Designed for ease of logistics and outstanding performance from up to 131.2 feet, this 130-ton behemoth has unique features, from a redesigned arm with dismounting capabilities to a modular frame design and an innovative cab with left-hand closure. So what we have here is not just a demolition machine, but a true marvel of the future designed to change urban landscapes. In northern Thailand's Lampang province, ITD is deploying ThyssenKrupp's advanced Barracuda rotary excavators at the Mae Mo mine, 372 miles from Bangkok. These excavators can handle up to 18,000 tons of overburden per hour, ensuring continuous and efficient coal mining. This state-of-the-art equipment not only reduces operating costs and harmful emissions, but also eliminates the need for blasting and separate loading operations, making mining safer and more environmentally friendly. ITD thereby raises standards in the mining industry, greatly reducing environmental impact and increasing productivity. In a world where every square meter of land can be the beginning of a new story, comes the DB45 from Sleipner. Not just a trailer, but the key to new horizons. This marvelous machine, capable of forging a path through the most impassable terrain, turns challenges into opportunities. It takes equipment up to 45 tons on board. As if whispering to it, show the world what you can do. With the DB45, temperatures from -40 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit are transformed from challenge to pleasure. GU70 Special is the last word in chainsaw technology, designed with tunneling and open pit work in mind. This machine, designed for cutting marble and decorative stone, except granite, is at its best when dealing with hard and abrasive stones. The GU70 Special has the unique ability to perform horizontal, vertical, and inclined frontal cuts, all thanks to a special function developed by the company. The technique can be customized, offering horizontal cuts up to 32.2 feet, vertical cuts up to 20.3 feet, and cutting depths up to 10.5 feet. The all-electric design, with the option of a hybrid modification that includes an endothermic motor for travel, makes it ideal for various use scenarios, offering high productivity and adaptability. This tiny machine on the construction site is a living reminder that great things don't always require giants. It's a pleasure to watch it work, full of excitement and energy. The process of winding the ribbon into spools of certain sizes will definitely reduce your work time, because winding them by hand can be long and tedious. With remarkable precision and attention to detail, this machine performs its work daily, reminiscent of the activities of an experienced surgeon. Its capacity for precise and accurate manipulation makes it an indispensable tool in its field. What do you think of this technological marvel? It's like a maestro of an orchestra, controlling his instruments with incredible precision. Notice that every movement is like a masterclass for the pros, setting new standards in the world of masters. In the era of high technology, the process of preparing gourmet dishes in restaurants is taking on the characteristics of a real spectacle, thanks to the outstanding automation of production processes. It's wonderful to see how such a small device easily dominates rough wood to create a work of art. Its powerful hands transform the most unruly pieces of wood into perfectly round, perfectly smooth shapes. It's cool to realize that in the complex process of weaving, it is the machines that do most of the work, and the human role is minimal. This is not only a demonstration of technological progress, but also a step towards more efficient and less labor-intensive production. 750 SOC trencher can cut a trench 24 inches wide and 36 inches deep. The sliding trencher moves 16 inches to the left from the center. It makes it easy to dig clean, straight ditch walls for efficient utility installation. The height can also be adjusted for easy transportation. The attachable conveyor unloader is capable of handling dump trucks weighing up to 10 tons. This allows operators to work in tight urban areas by feeding soil directly into the dump truck. Workstation all attachment controls are manually rotated 90 degrees. The swivel workstation is designed to optimize the view of the rear attachment and maximize operator comfort. The PA 19001 bridge inspection device embodies Palfinger's many years of experience in the manufacture of hydraulic loading cranes and lifting platforms. The wide working range above road, railroad level enables work on high cable supports and special bridge structures. The third jib system can be dismantled, allowing it to be used for various crane operations. The multifunctional device is ideal for municipal authorities and various institutions that are constantly faced with a wide range of tasks. Extreme Z is characterized by a pivot joint articulating the first arm, which significantly increases the positioning capabilities of the arm and therefore the mower head, allowing you to easily handle critical operating conditions. The Extreme Z makes it easier to work on narrow roads without cluttering the roadway, as well as mow terrain, being able to stay close to the edge of the road and maximize the boom length. In the closed position, the machine remains more compact, making it easier to move and maneuver on the road. Guttering is an item without which it is hard to imagine any home, but when it comes to making it, not many people can visualize the process. The procedure is quite educational, that's for sure. It's also incredibly entertaining. You are looking at a multi-one screening bucket for topsoil, waste, turf, roots, and compost, with a large screening area that delivers fantastic performance. Screening buckets are used for the initial screening, sorting, and separation of natural materials, both before and after the crushing stage. This sieving bucket is a multifunctional tool ideal for separating materials such as topsoil, demolition and construction waste, lawn, roots, and compost. The Equipter Tow A Lift is an elevator that can be used in a wide variety of residential and commercial applications, and can work on many types of terrain while being easily towed by a dump truck. The ability to tow this towable elevator behind a standard pickup truck eliminates the need for a trailer or specialized truck for a truck-mounted forklift. The Tow A Lift remote control system provides 360 degrees visibility during operation, increasing safety and providing visibility of potential obstacles in rough terrain. The intuitive and user-friendly operation of the Tow A Lift can be quickly mastered by virtually any user. Create the perfect metal mesh quickly? Easy, if you have a mechanized pro assistant at hand. With such a partner, even the most complex tasks become easy, and all in a matter of moments. The Vermeer VS350 single auger vertical mixer is the ideal machine for smaller operations. This model has a high-speed auger that optimizes mixing speed and provides thorough cleaning. Vermeer mixers feature a 4-point scale that helps improve accuracy over a 3-point scale. The scales help operators optimize rations and achieve more defined goals when feeding multiple pens. The scale also features Bluetooth connectivity, so operators can see the weight from their smart device. Featuring a 1/4-inch thick tub and a 1/2-inch thick floor, this mixer is small but powerful. Its sturdy components contribute to the machine's long-lasting performance and reliability. With the magic device, every cleaning turns into an exciting adventure, where you are the protagonist fighting against malignant pollutants. And remember, cleanliness always wins, and your efforts will always succeed with the right technique. Cutting steel bars with perfect precision is now a breeze, thanks to the right machine. This is the tool that turns a complex task into an easy operation. Thank you for watching Mega Technology.